Kids, we're back to the world of Mystic Drums. I'm Lorne, there's Jerry. Let's start the fun. Yeah, we're looking for new sounds and special effects today. Right? Oh, you brought your cousin. Oh, cousin Sherry, what a special treat. Sherry, hop on over here and let's see you guys tap your feet. Very nice. What are you saying, Sherry the Frog? Ah, here for her favorite sound effects, bird sound effects. Yeah, well, let's bring out the first one right away. This little guy, I'd like to show and play. That's a fun little looking type of sound. What does it sound like to you? Yeah, what's that? It's right, an owl. Let me hear you make your owl sounds. Let me hear ya. No, a little louder. I didn't even hear you. Yeah, just a little louder. I can't hear. All right, I can't hear. There's no way I'll hear you. On the other side of the glass. No chance. But I did hear something else. Somebody heard that owl call and wants to join. It's Martin the bear, everybody. Yeah. He's really an owl. He hit his head. Yeah, when he was just a little baby owl. He hit his head on a tree and he grew up with a family of bears and now he thinks he's a bear. But he loves other owls too. Oh, hey. Are you okay? You just smashed your head. What now? You think you're actually an owl again. Oh, he's regained his memories. This is such great news. Oh, no. Oh, back to being a bear. I'm sorry. Well, stand on your head. That always helps you regain your memory. Don't forget to like and subscribe below because we got more birds and sound effects coming your way. Kapow, tazooey, kabam, bam, boom.